Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a verified domain, WordPress admin access, and SSL. Once done, sign up for Google AdSense and copy your publisher ID. Next, install a lightweight theme and a plugin that can insert header scripts. This avoids editing core files. Make sure your site has regular content and meets AdSense content policies because approval depends on quality. Now, move to implement the AdSense code inside WordPress so Google can verify and display ads. You will now add the AdSense site code and ad units. First, open the header script plugin and paste the AdSense site code into the head section. This allows verification. Next, in your AdSense dashboard, create responsive ad units and copy their ad codes. Then, use WordPress widgets, a shortcode plugin, or your theme's ad slots to paste each ad unit where you want it to appear. Make sure to test on desktop and mobile, because responsive units adapt differently across viewports. Finish by confirming that AdSense shows your site as verified, which can take 24 to 48 hours. Once verified, enable auto ads if you want Google to optimize placements. Make sure to review and block unwanted categories. Also check page speed and mobile layout to maximize RPM. If ads don't appear, clear caches, disable ad blockers, and verify your publisher ID is correct in the header. Finally, inspect the browser console for errors and recheck site policy compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.